here we are together with the concept of grammar, and here we are with the verb, and we will also tell our little kids about the linking verb also. So here for introducing, or we are going to extend the concept of verb. So please clear that on this stage your child concept about noun, article, adjective are clear, as well as verb, because it is the noun family, and this noun family present with the specific symbols. Suppose a red flower. So article depends on noun, adjective depend on noun. So again and again you will repeat this previous concept with your child. Suppose you will repeat article a and the, but tell its application. A and are indefinite, and children, we always discuss a and an, the thing which is one of many, and the is a definite article which we use for specific person. Sometimes our child not want to know the terms indefinite, definite. Don't tell, but clear his concept through flashcards, because adjective concept of adjective article is very important. And also repeat the concept that adjective is a word that describes the noun. The yellow tractor, so yellow is adjective. Very helpful are matching nouns with the verbs logically. So make a strip on which you write to smell a flower, then cut it into three parts, and say your child to join it. Again, to drive the car, cut the strip into three pieces and say your child to join it. To read the book, so cut the strip into three pieces and say your child to join it. How much the practice you will do, your child will come to know the concepts very effectively, because if your child know the application how to use, so no need to remember the definitions. So here again you will relate. Now you will take three verbs and say them to join to the other strip with the articles and the nouns. Suppose bring, walk, sing. Take three verbs and now say them to join with the other three strips. To the door, a song, a ruler. Now say your child, say him that strip bring, which with one you will use. Bring a ruler, and walk to the door, sing a song. He will match and we will practice. So tell him, not all actions are visible. Also tell them about imagine. Imagine your favorite. Imagine is a favorite thing. Imagine is a verb. And think about your father. Think is a verb. Plan a picnic. Plan is a verb. So we are coming towards linking verb. So parents and teachers linking verb and helping verb are totally different. So the early stage, don't tell them about helping verb. Only introduce them linking verb. So how we will join? With our child thinking with the sentence. How to introduce we concept. So like this, you will say first of all, child, we are going to investigate a new verb, because they already know about the verb. We will take a sentence. The painting is beautiful. And say your child that tell me, put the symbol with them. The painting is beautiful. But he does not know about the is. Now you will tell him that tell them that is a linking verb, because all sentences have a verb and is the verb in this sentence. You will write more linking verb, like the dog was happy, the horses were tired. Now you tell your child is, are, am, was, will, be, were, has, had, all are linking verbs. So in the next video we will differentiate between linking verbs and helping verbs.
Thanks for watching, dear friends. Don't forget to tap subscribe, hit like, and share this video with your buddies. Stay tuned with Creative Kids.